Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have brought you a new review which is on the most hype products on Nykaa under this brand M Caffeine. So I bought these three products in a combo of 969 from Nykaa, and this combo consists of M Caffeine face wash, M Caffeine scrub, and a M Caffeine body scrub. So coming to the review of these products, so I have used these products for almost 1 month, and I think I can give you a completely honest review on how I found these products to be up to my expectations. So first I'll talk about the face scrub, because the moment I received the package, and the very first thing I wanted to use is this face scrub, because I really like scrubbing my face. And so I was expecting a good coffee aroma, but unfortunately it disappointed me a lot. But coming to the quality of beads and the cleansing property, I think it works okay. It's just the I missed the coffee part out of it, since it promises being a caffeinated product and all those coffee properties. So now the next product is this face wash, which I applied following this face scrub. So this face wash, let me tell you, this is a very thick face wash. You will have to apply a lot of pressure on your face to actually form the leather, and it doesn't properly cleansed my face. I feel that it is still left and the product is still there. So, and also again there is nothing like coffee. In fact, it smelled very cheap quality face wash. And yeah, so this is from these two face scrub and face wash. So next is this M Caffeine body scrub. So this body scrub, I would say that this body scrub, it's actually a good scrub. I mean, I really like the way I feel when I apply it on my body. I really felt that at least there is something of coffee in it as compared to the other two products. But considering the price and the overall thing, I think it is very expensive, and you can equally get a good scrub by if you make something out of coffee and honey at home and apply it on skin, then it will work better. I mean, it's okay, like you can go for this product, but if you are not much concerned about the price. So yeah, pretty much this is my experience with these products. So overall I would say that if you are really thinking of these products as a good option for coffee based cosmetics, then please don't opt for them, because they are super expensive, and also the quality of it is not that up to the mark. I bought these products because I think I felt these will be good, looking at all the reviews on Nykaa, and I got carried away by that. So spending 969 rupees is totally not worth it. So guys, please save your money. Please save your money judicially, because these cosmetics are very expensive. I mean, the packaging is so premium, but the product is not up to the mark. So guys, I hope that this video will be very helpful for you, and it can actually save you from spending your hard-earned money on these products which are not worthy enough. And for more such honest reviews on products, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so that in future it will protect you from falling in the trap of such false reviews and such hype products. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. Hope you are safe and secure and stay healthy. Bye bye.